In 2026, the best weighted blankets prioritize deep touch pressure, DTP, while solving the common issue of overheating. Using advanced cooling fabrics like bamboo or chunky open knit designs, these blankets mimic the sensation of a hug to reduce anxiety and improve sleep quality. Starting at number 1, yescool weighted blanket. The yescool weighted blanket is a high-value therapeutic sleep solution designed to provide deep touch pressure for adults in the 190-210 lb weight range. Measuring 60x80, this 20-level blanket is specifically sized to cover the top of a queen mattress, ensuring the weight remains centered on the sleeper rather than sliding off the bed edges. It features a sophisticated 7-layer construction with premium glass microbeads sewn into small quilted pockets to ensure even weight distribution and silent movement. Despite its heavy feel, the blanket is engineered with breathable, moisture-wicking fabric to prevent overheating, making it an excellent cooling option for year-round use. While the reinforced stitching and durable materials make it machine washable, the blanket provides a luxury contouring sensation that helps reduce restlessness and promote deeper sleep cycles at a very accessible price point. Number 2, Y&M 15lb's weighted blanket. The Y&M weighted blanket is a top-tier therapeutic option widely recognized for its unique 7-layer moisture-wicking system designed to offer deep pressure stimulation while maintaining a neutral temperature. This specific 15mm model, 48/72, is perfectly scaled for a single sleeper on a twin or full-size bed and is ideal for individuals weighing approximately 140-160 ounces, though the listing suggests it for lighter users who prefer a significantly more intense, deep hug sensation. It utilizes premium glass microbeads rather than plastic, which are densely packed into smaller 4.0 x 4.7 quilted compartments to prevent weight shifting and noise. The outer shell is made of high-quality cotton, ensuring the blanket is breathable enough for all-season use, while the internal layers of non-glue polyester padding provide a soft, cushioned feel that contours comfortably to the body. Number 3, Topcee weighted blanket. The Topcee weighted blanket is a high-performance all-season sleep aid designed for adults seeking the therapeutic benefits of deep touch pressure. This 20lb 60x80 model is tailored for individuals weighing between 190 and 210 lbs and is sized to fit perfectly across the top of a queen mattress. What sets this Topcee apart is its use of high-density microfiber fabric, which offers a unique balance. It is silky soft to the touch for winter comfort, yet engineered with moisture-wicking properties to remain breathable and cool during summer months. Inside, the blanket utilizes non-toxic glass microbeads secured within double-stitched small square pockets to ensure the weight remains evenly distributed and silent as you move. With its reinforced 7-layer construction, this blanket provides a consistent calming hug sensation that helps reduce restlessness and improve sleep depth throughout the year. Number 4, HCOIW weighted blanket. The HCOIW weighted blanket is a specialized, lightweight therapeutic blanket designed for smaller adults, teens, or children who benefit from gentle deep touch pressure. This 5-pound 41x60 model is ideally suited for individuals weighing approximately 40 to 60 ounces, providing a calming sensation without being overwhelming. Constructed from 100% breathable natural cotton, the blanket is specifically engineered to prevent overheating, making it an excellent choice for hot sleepers or year-rounders. It features a precision quilted design filled with non-toxic natural glass beads that are evenly distributed in small pockets to prevent shifting or noise. The compact size makes it highly versatile, functioning perfectly as a personal throw for the sofa, a travel blanket, or a lap pad for sensory regulation. Additionally, its durable stitching ensures it is machine washable, offering a low-maintenance solution for maintaining a clean and healthy sleep environment. Number 5, Topblan weighted blanket. The Topblan weighted blanket is a premium, all-season throw designed for individual use, offering the perfect balance of comfort and therapeutic pressure. This 12x48x72 model is ideal for sleepers weighing approximately 110 to 130 lbs and is sized specifically for a twin-size bed or for use as a generous personal throw on a sofa. Constructed with high-density breathable fabric and filled with non-toxic glass microbeads, it utilizes a specialized 7-layer design to ensure the weight is distributed evenly without leaking or bunching. The small square quilting pattern provides a quiet, contouring hug that helps calm the nervous system, while the moisture-wicking materials make it versatile enough to provide warmth in the winter and breathable cooling during the summer. Durable and machine washable, this blanket is a practical choice for those seeking to reduce restlessness and enhance their sleep quality in any setting.